and welcome to this affiliate marketing tutorial. In this video today, I will be sharing with you everything you need to know about affiliate marketing in 2023 and beyond. And at the later part of this video, I will also show you how to create a landing page for free using Google Sites to promote your affiliate links. This video is broken down into two major parts. In the first part, I will talk about affiliate marketing and how to get your affiliate links. And in the second part, we will talk about how you can create a landing page for free using Google Sites to promote your affiliate links. But before we get started, let me define what affiliate marketing is very briefly for those who may not be aware of it. Simply put, affiliate marketing is a type of business model that is based on your performance in the marketing of a particular product or service. In this case, a business you are in affiliation with gives you a reward as a result of the effort from promoting of their own product or their services. Let me explain. Take for instance, you have a blog where you write about cooking as an example, and you then take a decision to join an affiliate program for cooking products or services. For every time you write a blog post about these products in particular, you get to include your affiliate links. Now, if any one of your readers clicks on the link and then makes a purchase, you get to earn a commission, period. Now, there are several places where you can actually get affiliate products to promote, and I'll reveal a few of them to you very shortly. But before we get into that, how do you get started with affiliate marketing? The first step is to find a product or a service that you believe in and that you are willing to promote. This product in particular could either be a physical product like a kitchen gadget or a digital product like an online course. You get the gist, right? Once you have been able to find a product or a service that you like to promote, the next step is to join an affiliate program. A good number of companies or businesses have their own affiliate programs. An example is Jumia.com, where you can become an affiliate and promote physical products like kitchen items, like we rightly mentioned earlier. We also have other affiliate programs such as JVZoo, Commission Junction, Share a Sale, Warrior Plus, and Amazon Associates, just to mention but a few. Upon joining the affiliate program, you are assigned a unique link. This affiliate link is what enables the company or the business to keep track of the sales that is generated through you. That is, people who make purchase or buy from the company as a result of your recommendation. So it is a good practice that you make use of this unique link every time you promote your chosen product or your chosen service, so that your sales are tracked to you and you get paid a commission. It's that simple. Now that you have your affiliate links, it is time to start promoting the products or the services that you have chosen. There are many ways that you can actually use to promote your affiliate links, including writing blog posts, creating YouTube videos, posting on social media, and a whole lot more. One thing you need to take note is that you need to find the method that works best for your audience. Very important. You also need to provide as much value as possible while you are promoting a particular product or service. In doing that, you can go as far as sharing your own personal experiences, tips and tricks for using the product or the service. Or you could just provide your audience with the benefits of the product or the service in question. One thing to keep in mind also is that it is important to have a full disclosure of the fact that you are actually using an affiliate link whenever you are promoting a product. This is an ethical practice. Not only that, it is also required by law in most countries that you do so. You can do so by simply adding a disclaimer to your blog or your video stating that you're actually using an affiliate link. Now click to watch this video showing up right here, where I show to you in a step-by-step tutorial how you can create a landing page for free using Google Sites to promote your affiliate links. Click to watch and I'll see you in the very next one. Peace.